My dear students, welcome to Maths class. Today we are discussing about the topic calculus. As you know, calculus is one of the most beautiful branch of Maths, introduced by two famous mathematicians. One is Sir Isaac Newton and another one is Gottfried Leibniz. Okay. Today we can solve some questions. Okay. My first question is evaluate integral 3x square dx. Okay, evaluate integral 3x square dx. Okay, how to do it? Listen. Here is integral 3 is a constant. The constant can be taken outside. 3 into x square dx. Okay, 3 into x square dx. As you know, what is 3 into x square, integral x square dx? That can be done by using, just listen, I will explain. Our first question is integral 3 into x square dx. 3 is a constant. Constant can be taken outside. 3 into integral x square dx. That is equal to 3 into integral x square dx. As we know that integral x raised to n dx equal to x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where c is known as constant of integration. Here therefore n is replaced by 2. Therefore the answer is 3 into x square will become x cube by 3 plus c. 3 and 3 cancel. The final answer is x cube plus c. Okay, that is our final answer. Remember that integral 3x square dx. 3 is a constant. Constant can be taken outside. Then we have to find out the value of integral x square dx. We know that integral x raised to n dx is x raised to n plus 1 divided by n plus 1 plus c, where c is known as the constant of integration. Therefore final answer is x cube plus c. That is our final answer. Okay, now we can move to our next question. Next question is okay, first question is over. 3 and final answer is x cube plus c. Okay, now we can move to our next question. Second question is a simple question. 2 raised to x plus 1 equal to 32. Then you have to find out the value of x. 2 raised to x plus 1 equal to 32. How to do it? Very simple. Listen. Our question is two raised to x plus 1 equal to 32. 2 raised to x plus 1 equal to 32. You have to find out the value of x. We know that what is 32? 32 is equal to 2 raised to 5. That means if 2 is multiplied in 5 times, we get 32. Therefore, 2 raised to x plus 1 equal to 2 raised to 5. Then we know that a raised to m equal to a raised to n. Then we know that m equal to n. Therefore, here is x plus 1 equal to 5. Therefore, x equal to 5 minus 1. Answer is 4. 4 is our correct answer. Remember that here we are applying a law of exponents. 2 raised to x plus 1 equal to 32. That means 32 can be written as 2 raised to 5. Here 2 raised to x plus 1 equal to 2 raised to 5. We know that a raised to m equal to a raised to n. Therefore, here x plus 1 equal to 5. Therefore, x equal to 4. Very simple. Okay, simple question. Next, we can move to our next question. Our next question is, listen, third question is, find the derivative of log x square plus 1. That is our third question. Find the derivative of log x square plus 1. That is our third question. Okay, how to do it? Listen. Find the derivative of log. Okay, how to do it? Listen. Let us suppose that y equal to log x square plus 1. X square plus 1. Now we want to find out the derivative. That means dy by dx. Dy by dx. We want to find out dy by dx. Okay. We know that the derivative of log x is 1 by x. Here is the derivative of log x square plus 1. That will become log x square plus 1. The derivative. The first derivatives we are taking. That is 1 by x square plus 1 into, then we want to find out the derivative of x square plus 1. We know that the derivative of x square is 2x plus the derivative of a 1, that is equal to 0. Therefore, final answer is 2x divided by x square plus 1. Okay, got the idea? Remember that if y equal to log x, that the derivative is 1 by x. Here y equal to log x square plus 1. We want to find out dy by dx. Dy by dx equal to 1 by x square plus 1 into, then we may take the derivative of the denominator, that is here is x square plus 1. The derivative of x square is 2x and the derivative of 1 constant is, the derivative of constant is 0. Therefore, final answer is 2x by x square plus 1. That is our final answer. Okay. Now we can move to our next question. Next, fourth question. Okay. What is our fourth question? Listen. Fourth question is, we have to find out the determinant of the matrix. Okay, here is a 2 by 2 matrix and we want to find out the determinant of a matrix. Okay, now listen how to do it. We want to find out the determinant of the matrix 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay. Determinant 3, 2, 1, 4. Okay. Here you may remember that if A, B, C, D are inside a determinant, then the value of determinant is AD minus BC, that is cross multiply and subtract. Here is determinant 3, 2, 1, 4. Here first 3 into 4, 3 into 4 minus 1 into 2. Okay, that is equal to, what is 3 into 4? 12. 12 minus 2. Answer is 10. Okay. Therefore, it is very simple. Remember that determinant ABCD equal to, first you may find out A into D minus B into C. Here A, B, C, D are replaced by, A is replaced by 3, B is replaced by 2, C is replaced by 1, D is replaced by 4. Therefore, answer is, first you may find out 3 into 4, that is 12, minus 1 into 2. Final answer is 10 is our correct answer. Okay, got the idea? Okay, it's a very simple question. Okay, now we can move to our next question. Listen. Next question is, evaluate the limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. It's a standard result. Limit x tends to 0 sin x by x. Answer is 1. Okay, it's a basic equation. Okay. Now, our sixth question is, listen, what is our sixth question? Solve the quadratic equation x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, I will explain how to solve it. Listen, x square minus 5x plus 6 equal to 0. Okay, here remember that this is a quadratic equation. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. Okay, here the middle portion is the sum of two numbers and the end portion is the product of two numbers. Here sum of two numbers equal to minus 5, product of two numbers equal to 6. What are the numbers? You may just think it. We want the sum equal to minus 5. Product is 6. The two numbers are, we can write x minus 3 into x minus 2. Okay. Here minus 3 and minus 2. The sum is minus 5. And minus 3 into minus 2. Minus 3 into minus 2 is plus 6. Therefore, this can be written as x minus 3 into x minus 2 equal to 0. Therefore, x minus 3 equal to 0, that means x equal to 3. And another one is x minus 2 equal to 0, that means x equal to 2. Therefore, we get two solutions. The first one is 3 and the second one is 2. Remember that it is a quadratic equation. The standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0. We can solve in another method also. In another method, what is x? In another method, x equal to minus b plus or minus. Okay. X equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Remember that if the standard form of a quadratic equation is ax square plus bx plus c equal to 0, then we can find out x equal to minus b plus or minus root b square minus 4ac divided by 2a. Remember that a not equal to 0. If a equal to 0, then the denominator will become 0, and remember that if the denominator is 0, we cannot solve it. It is undefined. Okay. Now listen. Now we can move to our next question. Next question is, listen. Next question is, find the inverse of f of x equal to 3x plus 5. Find the inverse of f of x equal to 3x plus 5. That is